Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. How to lose those chubby cheeks and sculpt a more defined facial structure. Whether it's for health reasons or just to mog your friends, we've got some effective tips and strategies for you. So, let's get started. First up, losing weight. Now, it's important to understand that we can't target weight loss in specific areas of our bodies, including our faces. But reducing overall body fat can definitely make a difference in how your face looks. A combination of a healthy, balanced diet and regular exercise is key. Focus on whole foods, like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. And don't forget to include cardio and strength training in your routine. Remember, consistency is crucial. Next, let's talk about debloating your face. You might not realize it, but your face can retain water just like other parts of your body, which can contribute to a puffier appearance. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day can actually help combat this. It sounds counterintuitive, but staying hydrated helps your body maintain a proper fluid balance, reducing bloating. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day and stay away from salt and sugar. In addition to staying hydrated, consuming enough potassium can also help with facial bloating. Potassium helps regulate fluid balance in your body, counteracting the effects of sodium, which can cause water retention. Foods rich in potassium include bananas, sweet potatoes, spinach, and avocados. Incorporating these into your diet can help reduce puffiness and define those facial contours. Finally, let's focus on the jaw muscles. Strengthening these muscles can contribute to a more chiseled jawline. Chewing gum is a simple yet effective way to work these muscles. Just make sure it's sugar-free to protect your teeth. For a more targeted approach, consider using a jaw exerciser. These devices are designed to provide resistance as you bite down, strengthening the muscles over time. As always, moderation is key to avoid overstraining. And there you have it, a comprehensive explanation to lose chubby cheeks and defining your jawline. Remember, everyone's body responds differently. Hit the blue thumb if you liked the video and subscribe to be part of the adventure. Good luck for your glow-up journey.